Hey, language lovers! Welcome back to English Motive. Are you ready to boost your English skills? Today, we are diving into 5 super useful phrasal verbs that you can sprinkle into your conversations to sound like a pro. Let's jump right in. First up is give up. This one's a lifesaver. It means to stop trying. Imagine you are studying for a tough exam. Instead of saying, I quit studying, you can say, I won't give up. It shows determination. Remember, persistence pays off. Next, we have look after. This is all about taking care of someone or something. For example, can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? It's a great way to ask for help with responsibility. Who wouldn't want to take care of a cute puppy? Now, let's talk about run into. This one is all about surprises. It means to meet someone unexpectedly. Like, I ran into my favorite teacher at the coffee shop. It's always fun to reconnect with people out of the blue. Coming up next is pick up. This versatile phrasal verb can mean to collect something or to learn something new. For example, I need to pick up my laundry, or I picked up some great tips from this video. Use it in both contexts to impress your friends. And last but not least, we have hang out. This is a fun way to say you are spending time with friends. You might say, let's hang out this weekend. It's casual and friendly, perfect for making plans. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's keep learning together. See you next time on English Motive.